Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind and creative 9-year-old girl named Nabira. She loved to draw and paint, using every color she could find to make the world more beautiful. But her family was poor, and she only had one old brush to paint with. One day, while walking through the forest, Nabira found a shiny golden paintbrush lying on a rock. As soon as she touched it, a gentle voice whispered, "Use this brush to spread kindness, and it will bring magic to your world." Excited, she ran home and started painting. To her amazement, whatever she painted came to life. She painted food for the hungry, toys for children, and flowers in the dry fields. The village soon became a happier place, thanks to Nabira's magic brush. One day, a greedy man heard about Nabira's magic and demanded she paint gold for him. But Nabira remembered the voice's words and refused. Instead, she painted a heart on his chest, filling him with kindness. From that day, he helped the villagers instead of being selfish. Nabira learned that true magic isn't in the brush, it's in a kind heart and the good we do for others. Moral of the story: kindness and generosity make the world more beautiful than any magic.